In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade futures on Weex Exchange. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your account, you want to hover over futures and you want to select whatever you want to trade. For this tutorial, I'm just going to select demo trading, but it's basically going to still teach you how to do this. So in here, I just came to demo trading. You then have to select whatever you want to trade. I'm going to go with Bitcoin over here. And then you have your chart here on the left where you can do your chart analysis. You can see the info, parameters, limits, etc. You can see your order book over here as well as your market trades. Down here at the bottom, you can see your current positions, open orders, order history, stuff like that. And on here on the right hand side, this is where the main trading stuff happens. So to trade futures here, you can first go ahead and click up here to actually adjust your margin mode if you want to. Here is where you can adjust your leverage, and then here you can set either a limit, market, or a trigger order. Okay, so that's completely up to you. I'm just gonna go with market right now on the current market price, and I'm gonna do amount, and I'm actually gonna do it in USDT, confirm. And let's say I were to buy like $5 or like $10 of Bitcoin over here, and then you can just see pretty much the summary of everything. You can then go ahead and set a long take profit or stop loss, or a short take profit and stop loss, and then you can either open long or open short. Okay, so of course you could also go to the closure then, and then you can also close short or close long, and you can set everything the same way as you were able to on the open tab. And that's pretty much how you can trade futures on Weex Exchange. So you come here, you can either open or close long or short, and then you can just go ahead through trade. You'll be able to see your positions and orders down here, and that's how you can do it. So that's that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.